Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can share screen on Skype. So once at the Skype video or phone call, tap at the little three vertical dots at the bottom right of your screen if you are on an iOS based device. Then go into share screen option, start broadcast. Wait until the countdown finishes and the screen share will actually start. And well, as you can see, the Skype interface tells you explicitly that you're currently sharing the screen with other call participants. Once you're ready to stop the screen share, just tap at the stop sharing option, and that will be it. If we are talking about the Skype app on an Android phone, the procedure is pretty much the same. Tap at these three vertical dots, then share screen, start now. And as you can see, the screen is getting broadcast at the moment. Once you're ready to stop, the drill is the same. Just stop at the stop sharing option, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.